Hello, this is John Piper with a weekend video, and it's Saturday the 14th of November. This is Bitcoin to start with. Starting with the virus low, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. An irregular ABC, which is very subnormal, not even making 38.2%. We've now got, I think, another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so we're now due a correction. I'm counting this as 1 of 3. So if that's 1 of 3, then we've got 2 of 3 now. And the 3 of 3 thrust is not too far away. Let's go down the leg to have a look at the actual action in the last few weeks. Let me just condense this slightly. Okay, so we have 1, 2. This looks like a 3. It counts quite well. Let's make that a bit more accurate. 4 to here. And it looks like a 1, 2, 3, a big 4. Out of proportion to the rest of it, and a possible 5, suggesting we're now in another correction, which should be of some significance, really, given what we've seen. Certainly a lot of people have been saying we're going up above 20,000, etc., etc. The ABC could be complete already, in fact. Let me just draw that in on the chart. Already exceeded C equals A, and this is about 500 points down. This is about 620 points down. So as an ABC, it meets the basic parameters. Doesn't mean it's over, of course, but it's going to be bigger than an ABC rally now might come in. But of course, it could be a decent move up again. As I've been saying, in these very strong moves, which is what I'm expecting, and we are seeing, you often get the patterns being skewed to the upside, as they're often skewed to the downside on very strong moves down. So this may be a good buying opportunity, in fact, if you're inclined to trade Bitcoin. Not the easiest market to trade with quite wide spreads on IG and other markets, but if you can catch a good move, it does add the points quite quickly. Anyway, on to the next market. Right, meanwhile, gold remains subdued with an ABC rally here, so I still think this C wave is going to continue. So I think, as I said before, A, B, C. There was a triangle, but it's broken up to the outside. I think the break to the downside now is on the card. So I think it'll be next year, probably before gold sees too much action. We've got 6 weeks left. Maybe that's a bit premature to be too positive about it, but certainly the C wave looks the favourite count for now. Silver ditto, really. I did actually move the trend line here. It was actually down to here. But if I draw it so it matches up the peak here, it catches the peak here as well. So A, B, it may say within the triangle, but a C wave decline, I think, is on the cards. I say support maybe around 20, where the trend line is. Or we may want to break through a bit. But certainly, look, this obviously fairly sharp fall off what I've labelled as B. A very weak ABC rally. So another leg down. It looks very likely on silver at this point in time. So FTSE, we had the substantial decline, about 37% on the virus news in March. It looks like we're seeing an ABC now, as I mentioned last report, A, B, C, and it's interesting that the Fibonacci level is at 6617, so pretty close now. So that's certainly a level to watch if you want to go short, perhaps. So look at the shorter term. Have a look at this pattern on the rally recently. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I say 6617. A little bit higher up. Might see the peak of this. This is 1, 2, 3. It could still be part of 3, in fact. So there's a fair bit of scope to go a bit higher, I think, on FTSE. DAX looks more positive. I think new highs are probably likely on the DAX. Got the ABC here, fairly clear. Clearly strong thrust up. Let's get down to the shorter term chart. 1, 2, 3 maybe. Again, it looks like there's more to come in. This looks pretty corrective, so I think the rally will continue. Not maybe for too much longer, but it may well make it into December, January. Maybe some positive New Year stuff to feed it a little bit higher up, I guess. It's quite normal. Same with the Dow. It's made the all-time new highs I was talking about previously. Looks like this is probably a 1-2. Given the 1-2 here, this could be part of 3, so we could still be in the third wave here with a 5 to come. But I think higher prices are likely again, probably into the new year. That's what the charts are saying at the moment. How much further it can go, I'm not too sure. Of course, with the devaluation of dollars, I keep saying the actual pricing structure is suspect. So even though it might go to 40,000, it may in fact be worth less than it was at 20,000 or 30,000 at some point in time. Anyway, that's all for today. If that's useful, back to the report for subscribers on Tuesday morning. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.